met Alfred Dinsdale before in your landscape business, but this isn't a landscape business. Where are we?
This is our blueberry farm in North Plains.
And how big is it?
We've got 75 acres of berries here. It's a 150-acre farm. We started planting about 9 years ago.
Wow, and you've already been harvesting already. Here we are in the middle of, we're in early August, and you're still harvesting.
We started about June 20th this year, and we've pretty much been harvesting every day since. It'll get a little bit more sporadic going forward, but we'll harvest till probably the first week of September before we finish.
Wow, and I am on this huge machine. It's amazing, and you'll be seeing pictures of it. So run us through the process of the picking.
Well, for the machine picking, generally that's towards the end. So we try to get through first with hand pickers, get off the best fruit that goes to fresh market. The final picks, right now we're going through with the machine and cleaning off whatever's left. So this fruit will be going to a processor who will it'll get frozen, it might get dried, it might get canned. They have a whole bunch of different products. But it's a different organization than what does our fresh market fruit.
It is interesting. And so about how many different varieties do you have?
We've got 5 different varieties. Duke is the early variety. We start out, and that's been anywhere from the first part of June to the first part of July, depending on the year. Then we have Rika. Rika is an oddball. It had some years been ahead of us, ahead of Duke, and like this year it's behind Duke. We're still picking Rika, and we're into some of our mid-season varieties. So it's really variable. Legacy is our big mid-season fruit. Legacy is an excellent berry. It's one of the more complex flavored, really good eating berry. A little more complicated to get off the plant. It tends to ripen at various stages, so you have everything from little tiny green fruit to big plump ripe fruit all in the same bush. But
yeah, that's interesting because we can get a lot of these at just a retail nursery. So at home, I can really extend my season that long.
Absolutely, yeah. You can have a whole season, a whole summer season this way. And there are a couple of new varieties out that are double bearing. They bear early and then they bear another crop towards the late part of the season.
Oh, that is interesting.
Yeah.
So Alfred, this isn't just a farm. You're really a conservancy of the earth here too.
No, that's right. When we first started this farm, we went to the Soil and Water District and Natural Resource Conservation, and we had them help us develop a whole farm conservation plan. And that plan really includes everything from wildlife habitat, native plantings, streamside buffers, it's ground cover between the blueberry rows, the grass, it's the drip irrigation, it's variable speed pump, it's things like raptor poles to encourage raptors to go after the rodents. So it's a whole plan that kind of integrates all the different aspects of modern agriculture and of sustainability, and trying to incorporate this into the farm right from the start.
And so you have people going through there. There's still some hand-on here, but it's just an amazing process to have this machine in this field. And so can we go somewhere to pick out shrubs? You guys grow them at your landscape nursery?
Yeah, we have a wholesale nursery, and we sell to most of the retailers in the Portland area. I know Al's carries blueberries and several others. So yeah, they're absolutely available.
Well, this is just a grand scale. You can go to a lot of U-Picks and get some blueberries, or why don't you plant them in your backyard? Please go to gardentime.tv. We'll click you over to Dinsdale Landscape. You can even go out there and get some, or they can even come to your house and design a garden for you. Thank you so much, Alfred. It's been amazing.
Nice talking to you. Yeah.